Xin chào cả nhà. Mình mới mua một cái máy xay sinh tố. Hi everyone, I just bought Vitamix and then I'm opening it right now. This is Vitamix Blender. There you have. Can you see? There is a container. It's quite large. It's very big. I can make a lot of stuff with this. It's come with this handle too. This come with this tool to push stuff that is stuck at the bottom. And the motor is in red, which is what I like, the color that I like. So that's everything inside. So what we have here is the motor. Yeah, red color. Nice. It's like pinky red, something like that. It's not like too bright red. This nice color. And this is the bottom where they wrote all the wiring. It's very organized. It's come with a recipe book as well. Now we will test the machine together, okay? Let's turn it on. And so here I put 1 drop of soap, like dishwashing soap, and some water. I'm trying to clean the cup right now. So let's turn it on. This is level 1. It's speed 1. And it's quite strong. It's just 1 drop of soap. As you can see, it's a powerful machine. Let me add some more water to clean the top. So I just add more water to it, and now let's turn it on. Wow. Only at speed 1. It's already just powerful. 2. Anyway, I bought this one on Amazon. It say refurbished, but it look like brand new. So I definitely recommend it. It's cost me 400 something on Amazon after tax. Free delivery because I have Amazon Prime. Okay. Hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.